Two-factor authentication, not working on trading app fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the trading app, don't panic. This is a common hiccup that's easy to fix. Most traders think something is wrong with their password or account, but in most cases, it's just a timing, app, or network issue. Let's get yours working again. First, check your phone's date and time settings. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Two-factor codes are time sensitive. Even a small mismatch between your phone and its servers can cause your authentication code to fail. Next, go to your app store and confirm that your trading app is fully up to date. Older versions can cause connection issues or reject valid authentication codes. If you use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and look for the Sync Time for Codes option. That forces your app to match the server time exactly. Once synced, try logging in again using a fresh code. If you're not receiving some codes, turn off your VIN and switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Some networks or fee routes can block verification messages or delay them beyond their valid time window. Still stuck? Uninstall and reinstall the trading app. This clears out any stored cache or corrupted login data that might be interfering with the process. After reinstalling, log back in and set up two-factor authentication again. If you've changed phones or lost your authenticator, click Can't Access Two-Factor on the login page. Its support system will guide you through a secure identity verification process to recover your account safely. Once your time, app, and network are properly synced, your two-factor authentication should start working again. Remember, it's a small layer of security that makes a big difference in protecting your trading account from unauthorized access.